Hey, I just want to take a few minutes here and talk about the Isagenix system that has been proven in numerous peer-reviewed scientific clinical studies at the highest level to help individuals lose weight. Well, that's not uncommon. There's a variety of different things that help individuals lose weight, everything from medicated weight loss to keto diets. What separates the Isagenix system apart from all those others? Well, one is people retain muscle. In fact, individuals who follow the Isagenix system not only lose just as much weight as medicated weight loss, the weight is largely fat versus the medicated weight loss, which is about 40% muscle loss. Now, when we look at the Isagenix system, one of the crowning features of this system is that it's easy to adhere to. Individuals see tremendous success over the first 12 weeks of the program. But the real thing is it sustainable for a long-term solution so that you don't gain that weight back? Comparing to the Heart Healthy Diet, one of the most recommended diet programs out there to help individuals lose weight, individuals over the course of the 12 weeks obviously saw great results as compared to the Heart Healthy Diet, about twice as good as the Heart Healthy Diet. But even more so, following individuals out over the next year, individuals found greater success with the Isagenix system than with the Heart Healthy Diet, suggesting that the Isagenix system is not only great at helping individuals lose weight, but it is a program that you can keep doing. It's easy to adhere to, which is the greatest metric of success of helping individuals reach their weight loss and health goals. Now, what is this Isagenix system? Well, it really just boils down to three things. Meal replacement, and helping you get the right amount of protein, fats, carbohydrates per meal. It's meal prep done for you. So it comes in form of shakes that you can take for 2 meals a day. Substitute any 2 meals, whether it be breakfast or lunch, and then you simply just have your normal third meal. But in addition to this, meal prep done for you, the Isagenix system incorporates 2 other key features. One, it's going to be a cleanse day. This uses the power that your body inherently has. When you go through an extended period of time of low caloric intake, your body actually initiates a process called autophagy. This is great at helping your body kind of recycle cellular material, as well as help remove some toxins out of your system. It allows your body's greatest defense to helping to age more gracefully to come in act. So one day a week, you'll have a cleanse day, which means you have a few snacks throughout the day, and you also support this with a variety of different botanicals that helps your body's natural detoxifying system perform better. That's right, helping your liver and kidneys better achieve their function. So you are having a great detoxifying experience as well as aging more gracefully. And the third component of this system, outside of the meals done for you and giving you cleanse support material for that one day a week, is also adaptogens. Adaptogens are unique botanicals that help our body better respond to stress. When we think about the challenges that we have today of adapting to a changing lifestyle, a variety of different stimuli coming at us, having the ability to properly respond to that stress so that we maintain the goals that we are setting out to do is critical. So each day you have an adaptogen product that helps you better respond to that stress. This in turn helps people better adhere to the program and have a more enjoyable experience as they are looking to make healthy lifestyle choices. So the Isagenix system has been shown in several clinical studies to be about twice as effective as other leading programs on the market. They've also been shown to have greater success over the course of a year, helping people better adhere to the program. And most importantly, not only do people see the success, they see the right type of success. You're losing not just weight, you're losing fat, specifically that visceral fat, which is the most unhealthy fat, suggesting that the Isagenix system stands alone at helping people reach their health and wellness goals.